Okay, then Zeke, that sounds like a dope intro. Mastermind, mastermind.
That's cool on the beat.
All right, family. We're back again. We did our charter session last night. It's TK Profit from Profit Takers. Right now, we want to jump in the market. I almost started freestyling on y'all. I'm kind of silly for real. But we want to go ahead and jump in the market and find out where we are in relation to where we looked at last night so we could properly execute those trade setups and make some money right now. So let's go. So the first thing we'll do is we're taking profit. So before we enter a trade, we're going to start off with a win. Win. Yeah. So this trade setup that we entered here, this buy, it just hit all of our targets. And this was a 1 to 18 trade. This means if you put up $10 on this trade, your profit was $180. So we just entered a sale after taking profit on that trade setup, and we are now in profit. So for the people that are in position to trade, if you would like to take this trade setup, it is still at a valid level for you to enter. Even if you entered right here, you still got a 1 to 15 trade setup. As far as our minimum, what we look for is a 1 to 3. Okay, 1 to 3. We don't want to take anything less than that. So a lot of traders, they fail because they do things like this. Let's get there. So they take trades that are 1 to 2. Okay? So this means you have to win over 50% of your trade setups to be profitable. I'm sorry, that's what 1 to 1s. 1 to 2 is more like 30, close to 35. No, I'm sorry, it's close to 50. It's like 40 something. But what this does is it limits your potential. When you understand how the market moves, why would you put up just $10 to make 20 when you can put up $10 to make 180? Oh, this is a 28. This was 180. This $10 will bring you $280. It's a 1 to 28 trade. So this is the power that we have as traders that most people do not take advantage of. Controlling your leverage. Let's say you're betting your friend on a football game. If you had a chance to go to every one of your friends and say, I want to put up $50 on the Chiefs, but in return, I want to win $350. If that was the case, how many people would you bet with that damn $50? Everybody that you could. And that's how the market is. It gives you the ability to control your odds if you have the discipline to do so. So that's what I want to show you guys, how to be accurate enough to increase what you can gain versus the amount that you risk, and also show you how to tap into the patience to execute it properly. So we just got a beautiful entry on this. I think we missed the AUD USD. Yeah, we did. The same thing happened. So we closed this trade early. Okay, we were going for this target here, but we noticed something that made us jump out. Okay, so we're actually gonna get rid of this since we're not in it anymore, and we're just gonna let this develop. Okay, perfect. On the 1 hour, this thing just printed a reversal pattern that we call a double top, and it's simply an M. And once you really get into it, a lot of these things are pretty simple as far as the concepts. Again, it's just your discipline that'll allow you to either make money or it'll cause you to give it away. But all of the concepts are relatively simple. If you know how to see an M, or spot an M when you see it, when it comes to the market, if you can spot that, then you're in position to make money. So right now, we're in this sale. Put our target back. We're in this sale. We got 4 minutes left until this candle closes. Oh, you guys are waiting on the target. So I got my kids in here trading with me. They're homeschooled, and in between their lessons, they just place the trades that I place. So right now I'm going to give them the targets to our trade, because for each trade that we take, we create 3 targets. That way, we make sure we take some of that money out of that position to add to our balance. So, y'all ready to get target one? Serenity, since you made a mistake and put 4 trades in for your third target, just put that in for 2 of your positions, okay? All right, look. Let me show them. I'm about to show them y'all trade station. Hold on a second. Yeah, they got a trade station in the office. Say what's up. Hi. Yeah, so we look. I got some babies in here trading, making money with me. Y'all better get active, man. Just copying numbers. If you can dial a telephone number, you can make a place to trade. All right, so for TP1, go to your target and type in 0.911. That's your mama birthday. 9/11. 91163.
You said that's our mom's birthday?
Yeah.
91163.
Yeah, 91163.
Confirm.
Confirm. Did you put it in,
Yes.
Serenity?
No, it said 2%, not 1%. I mean,
No, this is not a new trade. We're just putting it in the target area. So go to your trade that you already have open, edit that position, and add this target. All right, cool. Zeke, you got the first target in?
yes.
91163. All right, cool. So the next target, TP2, is 0.90460.
90460.
Yes, sir.
Confirm.
Confirmed. All right. Now, you ready for TP3?
Yeah.
TP3 is 0.89595. Yeah, now let me put some alerts at all of our targets to let us know when we get there. Put an alert at the stop loss. 0.89595. Yes, ma'am. You got it.
Well, that's a short one.
Oh, no, this trade should take all week. So we got another swing setup going right now.
What? That says 0.85950. What?
No, 0.89595.
They just keep adding stuff.
It's all good. All right, so let's take a look at gold. I was expecting gold to create a higher high. Let's see what happened. Oh, it actually did, but it fell immediately. Now, I don't suggest trading in consolidation until you are comfortable with trading, because most people, what they'll do, especially if you experience a move, let me show you what I'm talking about. If you experience a move like this in the market, this is a beautiful thing to be a part of, but psychologically it creates a little trouble because most people expect this to happen every day, and it doesn't. So in always looking for this, you hurt yourself when you get in a situation like this. And this is what I mean. So let's say you bought gold at this area and it just shot up. You close your position and we reached this level here and you bought again. Not understanding that this is consolidation and that price normally only trades or trends in a sideways fashion in consolidation. What you'll do is enter your trade, get all the way to your target area, and instead of closing that trade, you'll hold it until you give all your profit back to the market. Okay? So instead of fighting in consolidation, take your time and learn how to properly identify the different phases. Consolidation, right here. That's one of the phases. You got uptrends in the market, and you also have downtrends. So once you learn how to identify those different phases and to properly spot when one is occurring live time in the market, you are in a better position. Okay, so it's not all of this fancy stuff that helps you with consistency. It's the simplicity of it. So what we're going to do is stay away from gold. What hour is this? 1 hour. We're going to stay away from gold until it either breaks above or beneath this area of consolidation. Okay. Boom. Since price went up and broke those highs, but it rejected at the same area, we're going to move this rectangle up a little bit. I believe we had it right here, but we're going to include all of that movement that just happened. Set an alert below, set an alert above. What y'all want to do? I just told you. All right.
Excuse me, Dad.
Yes, ma'am.
Were we supposed to move these red things?
No. So the red things that you see on your chart right now, those are your entries. Are you moving them, Zeke?
No, I was checking out the time frames.
Oh, you was checking out the time frames? Yeah, so those dotted lines that you see across your screen, those are your entries. And if you move down, the green ones are your targets. Zeke, I think you moved something, Zeke. Make sure all your stop losses are the same, Zeke. Your stop loss, it's okay if you did move something, okay? But you got to learn from it. So if you make a mistake, don't be too ashamed to tell me, okay? That's how you learn. Mistakes are your friend. Oos?
Ooh.
Yeah, mistakes are your friends.
I said there's no of these things I don't know. What in the world is
So tell your brother to stop loss and make sure he got the same stop loss for all of those trades. So man, look, just like I told the kids, that's what keeps a lot of adults from jumping in this thing. Y'all don't want to make mistakes. And then another thing that I hear is, oh, I don't have money to waste.
all my stop losses are the same.
And I respect it. I respect that if you really are managing your money properly. But just to be real, most people are wasting money. Period. That eat out 7 times a week, buy necessary things, and that was me. I used to smoke a lot. So I'm like, dang, if I'm gonna sit up here and buy Mary Jane, but I won't spend money to invest in myself because I don't have it to lose, that's foolish. That's absolutely foolish. Buying clothes, shoes, dates, you got the money. Just don't have the will. But that's what I love about trading. Like, you can also use demo accounts. So you can use this platform, TradingView, or we recommend Trading Locker. And really, if you guys want to get started and use a demo account and just start for free and just place the trades along with me just to see yourself how fast you make money within the market, you can head to our website, sign up for our free 9-day course, and it'll put you in position to trade with me live. All right. We also got our mindset series, Structure Breaking, to help everybody align their thoughts with their desires. That's the biggest part of it. All right, so we got gold in check. Really today, let's see, I think the only news that I saw was, Euro news yesterday and USD news. So pretty much we have to just let these things play out. What's going on with Euro AUD? Okay, looks like we just replayed this area right here, and it's attempting to create a double bottom. So this is what we'll do. Yeah, I hear it. So like,
Sometimes the fridge makes that noise for some reason.
that's the, wow, okay. Know what that means. Time to spend some more money and replace it. All right, you guys. So if Euro AUD does not break above this high right here, then I'm sorry, let's leave it right here. This is the high we're looking at, this high. Because this area could be tested, boom, and price could fall. What looks like it's going down? AUD, CAD?
Yes.
Oh man, I'm on the wrong. Yeah, I'm on the Q&A screen. How y'all let me do that, chat? I'm showing y'all stuff on the chart and I'm in the wrong place. Okay, sorry about that, y'all. So I was talking about this Euro AUD trade setup. We want to watch this high right here, and if this thing does not break above this high, we want to look for a sell. Now, we could also consolidate right here in this area for the rest of this trading session. So I do not like staring at charts. You guys know me by now. So I really use my alerts. And I recommend that everyone does the same thing, because we're using the market as a means of freedom. So what I don't want to do myself, or what I don't want you guys to do, is create a habit of staring at the damn charts. Do not escape from one prison just to create another. All right? We're about to set these alerts, let the trade setups that we got run, and I'm about to have fun with my family. Yeah. Babies, we missed our buy last night. It's all good. So we caught one and missed the other, okay? When did this happen?
Wait, it's going up.
It's okay.
Oh, so that's why all my trades are red.
No, you got a late entry. No, so look. Come over here and look at my screen. Let me show you what's happening. I'm going to show you while I show them. No, go on the other side. But let me do this first. So last night we looked at Euro CAD. We wanted to get, well, we were originally looking for a sale. But in the market, when you properly learn how to identify two things, okay? So we already talked about the different stages in the market. Consolidation, you got uptrends, more consolidation, and you also have these downtrends that occur, right?
Yes.
So outside of noticing these things, the next thing that you need to understand is the room you're in. And what I mean by that is, whether you're consolidating, going on that uptrend, or the downtrend, it all happens in a certain room, okay?
Okay.
So right now you're inside of the room. What are your feet on?
The ground.
Your feet are on the ground. Your feet are on the floor, okay? What's above you?
The ceiling.
The ceiling, okay? So with the market, each different area has a room. So right here, if I just highlight it that way, what do you think this is?
Basically, this is the ground.
That's the floor. Exactly. That's the ground, okay? And this is your what?
Ceiling.
That's your ceiling, okay? So in the market, they refer to your ground as support, okay? And your ceiling as resistance. And think about it. When you walk on the ground supports you. If you try to jump up and go through that ceiling, it's going to create resistance, and it may knock you back down. The same thing happens with the market. Once you learn how to spot these floors, you'll know, okay, if the market breaks through my ceiling, this is what I should be looking for. I want to see if that ceiling becomes a strong floor if price retests it. So look, you see this?
Yes.
It hit the ceiling. What did it pull back to retouch?
The ground.
The ground, and then it went up. So this is what you need to look for if you're at an area like this and price does not reject. If price doesn't reject, oh dang, now I gotta delete all this stuff. Y'all hold that thought. If price does not reject, cool. And we did it without making a mess. Yeah, so if price does not reject, and that means if it doesn't reach that level and fall again, that means we're going to a different floor. We always want to wait on the retest, which happened right here, before taking it in the opposite direction. And I knew that was going to happen. That's why we set this trade set up here. But for whatever reason, we missed it. It came right down to our entry. And if we would have caught it in time, that's a 1 to 10 trade setup. So I'm sorry. Simple concepts like this is the thing that's standing in between you now and you getting that financial freedom. And it's really, really scary how simple it is. The rest of the journey is accepting that fact and doing the personal development that it will take mentally to align with that person that you are also shifting into or becoming. Oh, that was it, look, young ones. Let's I think this is it. So we'll go ahead and wrap it up. Everything else we gotta wait on. Nothing else is where we needed to be. Did this? What happened? 2 hour. Hold on. Did this trade activate or did we get stopped out? Did y'all didn't come in for the charting session last night?
No, I don't know.
Okay. Euro pound left without us. Let's see if we can find a way to get in Euro pound.
I'm gonna do some work. Actually, yeah, I guess I'll do this way.
Okay, we may have to just wait until this thing comes back to retest the 786. Okay, look, let's go ahead and set this limit order on Euro pound, okay?
Okay.
So pull up Euro pound, EUR GBP. You already see it? Okay then. So let's hit limit order or pending order. We're gonna do a pending sale. Yeah, this thing is about to drop today. It may come back tomorrow to let us in. This is another thing, you guys. So I'm able to sit right here calm right now. Look, let me move this. Let me get full screen with y'all so y'all can feel me. I'm able to sit right here calm, even though my trade setup is moving without me, because I've chased the market before and blown entire accounts. So it's not about just clicking the trade just because you see it doing something that you knew it could do, even if that happens. Take your time, take a deep breath, and wait until you get a pullback so it could let you in and give you better odds, because it's all about controlling those odds. You don't want to put yourself in a position where you could end up losing more than you can make on that trade setup. All right, so patience. So what we're gonna do again, we're gonna wait until this thing comes back to us to let us into this trade setup. We want those highs to get broken above. Yeah, I believe she'll hit TP1 without us. That's fine. It might go a little lower than TP1. What's right here? That looks like that was hit. So these lows were played a few times. There's a chance we could see this low being tested here before we get a pullback. So this is what we can do. Instead of rushing to get in this sale, Chris, what's up, Christian? That's my oldest son. I've been trying to train my oldest son to get in here and make this money with me. He started about 3 years ago. Got distracted. Man, I tell you, if that boy had stuck in here for 3 years following underneath the GOAT, he'd be on pace to be a millionaire. But it's all right, Christian. We got your little brother and sister in here. They over there on the charts. Once you see the babies making money, then maybe you'll kick yourself in the butt and get active. So, yeah. What I was saying, this trade setup is definitely going to hit one of our targets without us. We're just going to wait. Let me give you the secret, though, Christian. The Christian. The secret isn't beating yourself up about what you didn't do. It's about being disciplined, being true to yourself, and doing it now. There's nothing you can do about the shit that you didn't do, but you can fix what you do today, and that will change the things that you get out of life tomorrow, oldest son. I love you. Make some better decisions. Hey, y'all. This thing about to drop. So, after I finished sending that loving message to my son, now I remember what I was trying to tell y'all last at first, which is, instead of trying to fight to get in this sale, what we can do is wait until it reaches an area where we know we could possibly see a pullback, and then we'll buy it from that area to our sale area, and then we'll take the continuation of the move that we were originally looking for. Good God, stop it. Which is this downtrend. All right, that's what we want. Oh yeah, that's a good spot. 30 minutes. All right, so you ready? Are you ready? You ready, kids?
What? I said what?
I didn't think you was gonna catch it, Serenity.
That's what Nate does.
What?
He says, "Are you ready, kids?"
Oh, he'd say that too?
Yes.
That's cool, man. That's good that he got some joy in him like that. It's good when people have joy in them. Don't measure the people you meet by the amount of money they have. Measure them by the amount of joy in their heart, and you'll always be great.
Ice, caps.
All right. So we're doing a pending order on Euro Pound. All right. Let's go to Euro Pound on the chart. Pending sale.
Yes.
And your coordinates are.
What's a coordinate?
The coordinates mean, it's just mean the price point that you're entering in. That's all. So
And the stop above, below pending?
no, I'm about to give you the price. So the price, your entry price is 0.84.
Wait.
Yes, I can.
Is it 0.84?
Yes. 0.84332.
Those are the last two numbers in my password.
Don't tell everybody that. We online, baby. We streaming live. Now millions of people gonna know your password. I can't even edit that out. Hopefully they didn't hear you. Hopefully the music was louder. All right, so that's the entry price. Your stop loss is above the high. That stop loss is 0.84436. Say it again.
I don't get it.
Oh, you didn't get the stop loss? 0 point.
No, I'm talking about with what's going on right now. So
You got to type the stop loss in. See? Did you? Are you on? It don't look like you're on Euro Pound. You're on Euro JPY. So if you ever hear me give you coordinates and the numbers are different, then check the pair that you're on, buddy. Okay. So look for EUR GBP. What's going on Instagram? I see y'all just hopped on right now. I'm giving my kids some coordinates for the trade setups. They got their own trading station, and they are putting in these trades just to show y'all pretty much there's nothing to be afraid of. So I'm gonna keep letting these kids show y'all how easy it is. Both of them are up over $1,000 in their account just from trading along with me in the last month. And all they're doing is putting in the exact numbers that I give them. And they're doing it on their own. Now, they have made a few mistakes, but that's a part of the process, all right? All of the part of the process. So, I just let them show you how easy it is. So your price, no, right there, that's where you put your stop loss. The stop loss is, what did I just say, Serenity? No, 844. So 0.84436. That's the stop loss. Your target, I'm sorry, your entry price, go up to the top. You can delete that target, but put in the entry price right quick. Your entry price is 0.844332. And then you just place your trades, and I give you the coordinates in a minute. So, again, this will be it for today's lesson, you guys. Man, I appreciate you for hopping on with me. Again, if you want to begin trading, right? You want to begin trading, but you don't know where to start. We've put a few tools together for you for free. It's absolutely free, just because I love everybody. I want to give back. Just head to our website, profittakerseu.com. Go to the courses tab and go down to free courses. I have 2 free courses for you guys. Let me pull them up. Where are you guys? The first thing we got is our free 9-day course. This is going to help you set up your demo account, your live account, so you'll be able to practice trading with me risk-free, see how accurate we are, how much money you can make with our team, and then you'll have the chance to set up your live account too. So once you are comfortable and you're ready, you can trade using your own funds. And we also have that mindset series, Structure Breaking. You guys are going to hear me stress this a lot, because this is the piece that put everything together for me. You have to understand the power of your thoughts, beliefs, and actions. And then our 6-week journals, it helps you become more intentional with your words and teaches you how to speak properly when you're talking to yourself and the things that you want to manifest. We also have a few books available on Amazon. 6 Steps to Trading with Consistent Results covers the concepts that I use in our live sessions. And we also have our log books to help you log your trades and your emotional state in the process. We got that merch as well, so you guys support the vision, support the dream, and remember that you're only one trade away from living. Why fight to stay the same?
Okay, let the streets know. Okay,
I love y'all, man. Y'all be great.
okay,
Little baby.